Okay, 9.6, analyzing functions with successive differences. Page 593, number 20. I have to determine what type this is. So, this I'm adding 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. So I know that 20 has to be linear. Number 21. 10 to 2.5. So 10 to 2.5 to 0 to 2.5 to 10. There is no possible way that I am dividing by the same number or adding by the same number, which means that this has to be a quadratic. If I found both differences, it would become a quadratic. The difference between 10 and 2.5 would be 7.5. That would be 2.5, 2.5, 7.5. So if I found the difference of that, that would be the same. So let's check. Number 22. I am multiplying by 4. That has to be a exponential. Number 23. I am multiplying by 5. So that has to be an exponential. Number 24. I am not adding by the same number. I'm not multiplying by the same number. I have to, so that makes this a quadratic. Number 25. I am going down by 5 on each. That has to be a line, so that's linear. Number 26. So it says, write a function that models the data. So this has to be, I'm not adding by the same number. I think I might be multiplying by the same number. Let's check. 0.9 times 4 times 4 0.9 times 4 times 4. So I'm not multiplying by the same number. I'm not adding. So I have to be, this has to be a quadratic. Let me double check. 0.9, 3.6, 8.1, 14.4. So this would be 0.9. 3.6 minus 0.9 gives me 2.7. 8.1 minus 3.6 gives me 4.5. 14.4 minus 8.1 gives me 6.3. Let's see if the difference is the same. 2.7 minus 0.9, 1.8. That's 1.8. That's 1.8. So this is a quadratic. If it's a quadratic, I know that the equation is y equals ax squared. So I'm going to choose 0, 0. So 0 equals a times 0 squared. I can't choose 0, 0. Let's choose 1.9. So 1 is my x, 0.9. So then a has to represent 0.9. So my quadratic has to be y equals 0.9 x squared. So my function would have to be f of x equals 9x squared, 0.9x squared. Number 27, don't worry about 27, and we're just done for the homework. That's all I need.